This is the Innovator multi-range tool, or what we call the MR tool. Now, there's nothing special or different about this tool compared to the tools of the 90s, except one thing. We have designed this tool to be a multi-schedule tool and to have a much wider range on the seal itself. So instead of having to play around with different diameters of seals and different hardnesses of seals, the intention of this tool in the MR range is to do medium and low pressure tests, again up to about 12 to 1500 psi depending on the pipe schedule to plug interference. But this tool has been fantastic on transitions, on being able to capture welds on elbows or on T's. It is great for getting around obstructions like an OLED that may be in the way for a sensor while you're still trying to capture that weld. We've had many applications where we've taken a Schedule 80 tool and gone into a Schedule 40 pipe and being able to capture, move past an obstruction, and then be able to perform the hydro test where traditional tools have failed. And the significant difference is really it's a multi-schedule tool, and the way that we capture this tool to be multi-schedule is by using a much wider and much thicker seal that has a much wider range of capability. And so the MR tool is just an invaluable tool on shutdowns where your as-built and your as-found piping is not always as stated. And so having the ability to deal with what you find when you cut the pipe open and having the ability to capture a range of isolations and hydro tests is really key. And another key thing to know about the MR tool is it is both an isolation tool and a hydro test tool in one particular tool. So again, just a lot of versatility in the way that this tool works.